Welcome back to Camp Nou Vision. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a stadium that is rapidly transforming before our eyes. From the stunning ceramic ceiling panels now being aligned to the massive glass curtain walls taking shape on the South Diamond, the architectural vision is finally becoming a reality. In this update, we'll cover everything from the pitch preparation to the intricate work happening in the VIP rings. Let's get right into the progress. Work on the ceramic ceiling continues to advance at an impressive pace as installation crews remain focused on completing the suspended ceiling across the stadium. More ceramic louvers have now been installed, leaving only a limited number of sections still awaiting completion. Workers are carefully aligning each panel to ensure a consistent finish across the entire ceiling, while neighboring sections are already transitioning into their final inspection phase. Significant progress is also being made on the curtain wall system, where crews continue installing massive glass panels across the completed diamond structure. Using specialized vacuum lifting equipment, each panel is carefully positioned inside the aluminum framing before being permanently secured into place. Several additional glass panels have now been installed, dramatically changing the appearance of the facade and making the structure look far more complete than in previous weeks. Inside the stadium, construction activity remains intensive throughout the first-tier concourse. Permanent hospitality areas, concession spaces, and public circulation zones continue taking shape as crews replace the temporary facilities used during earlier construction phases. Meanwhile, additional interior finishing work continues behind the scenes, gradually transforming these construction areas into fully operational public spaces for future match days. Preparation of the future playing surface continues to move forward with specialized machinery working across the pitch every day. Excavators and screening equipment are removing and processing the existing surface to create the correct foundation for the new natural grass system. The ground is being carefully leveled and prepared to meet the required specifications before the final turf installation begins. As these operations continue, the pitch is steadily progressing toward its next major milestone, bringing the stadium one step closer to becoming match-ready. Construction inside the third tier continues to progress steadily across multiple working areas. Temporary scaffolding is gradually being relocated as work advances higher into the structure, allowing crews to expand operations into newly accessible sections. At the same time, infrastructure installation, internal service systems, and structural finishing works continue throughout the upper levels. With several teams working simultaneously, the third tier is steadily moving closer to the next phase of interior completion. Steady progress can now be seen around the VIP ring balconies as more temporary scaffolding is removed, revealing larger portions of the permanent structure. Newly installed doors, balcony finishes, and surrounding structural elements clearly demonstrate how these premium hospitality areas are entering their final construction stages. As exterior access improves, crews are also continuing work inside the VIP spaces, allowing both structural and interior finishing activities to advance simultaneously. Across the upper sections of the stadium, finishing work continues on multiple structural elements. Crews are installing expansion joint systems, sealing materials, and other finishing components that will protect the structure while preparing it for its final architectural appearance. Additional refinement work is also underway on staircases, access routes, and upper structural connections, with teams carrying out detailed adjustments to ensure every section meets the required construction standards before the final finishing phase begins. Work continues steadily around the south goal corner as preparations advance for the next phase of the compression ring. Since the previous update, 3 additional steel support beams have been installed beneath the future compression ring alignment, marking visible structural progress in this section. The previously delivered compression ring boxes remain staged in the same position, with no new steel boxes installed yet. Construction inside the South Mobility Core continues at a steady pace as cranes remain active installing structural steel around the stair and elevator core. Multiple steel beams are still being positioned across both the interior and exterior framework, while additional temporary shoring towers have already been assembled in preparation for the next lifting operations. Material deliveries continue throughout the day, showing that structural assembly in this area remains one of the current priorities. The Lateral Diamond continues making impressive structural progress as work shifts toward the slab construction phase. The number of concreted columns has increased from 6 to 10, while the remaining reinforcement cages are now being enclosed with formwork ahead of their concrete pours. Reinforcement steel has expanded across the upper perimeter of the diamond, and temporary scaffolding has grown substantially throughout the structure. Preparation work beneath the cantilever is steadily advancing as crews complete reinforcement ahead of the next concrete pour. Protective white coverings and construction membranes have now been fully installed across the reinforcement area, securing the work zone while final preparations continue. With the reinforcement and protective systems now largely in place, this section appears to be entering its final preparation stage before concrete placement begins. Work continues simultaneously inside several mobility cores across the stadium. Crews remain focused on structural finishing, steel installation, interior assembly, and surface treatment of exposed steel members. Additional reinforcement materials continue arriving for nearby structural zones while painting and protective coating work progresses across multiple steel components. Internal construction activity remains extensive even in areas where exterior progress is less visible. Installation work beneath the north goal cantilever continues as crews focus on the building's service infrastructure. Utility pipe networks remain under construction along the underside of the cantilever, with protective safety netting still covering the work area. Although no aerial platforms are currently operating directly beneath this section, service installation continues steadily as the internal mechanical systems gradually expand throughout the structure. The north goal corner remains one of the busiest working areas on site. Multiple aerial platforms continue installing, aligning, and securing the steel support brackets that will carry the future ceramic louvers. Workers are also completing alignment and fastening operations across the support system, while beam painting and protective coating continue on surrounding structural steel. Additional support brackets have also been reinstalled in sections where they had previously been removed, showing continuous preparation ahead of large-scale louver installation. Progress on the compression ring continues on the north goal side with another steel box now successfully installed since the previous update. While visibility from ground level remains limited, the newly positioned segment confirms that steel assembly is continuing around the upper perimeter of the stadium. As additional support structures and radial beam preparation advance, this section is gradually moving toward the next stage of compression ring construction. Construction across the Tribuna stand continues steadily as structural work advances on multiple levels. Crews remain active around the mobility cores, where additional steel installation and structural assembly are still underway. Temporary shoring systems are also being prepared for upcoming construction phases, while lower-level sandwich panel installation continues progressing toward full enclosure. Overall, the Tribuna stand remains one of the most active structural zones as work steadily pushes toward the next major construction milestone. Activity also continues around the corner section as preparations advance for the next phase of structural work. Temporary support systems are being readied above the completed pillar ahead of future radial beam installation, while additional louver support brackets have been installed across the corner facade. Finishing work on the surrounding steel structure also continues, with crews carrying out alignment, support installation, and final preparation work. Overall, construction continues to move forward across multiple sections of the stadium. While many of the current tasks focus on structural assembly and finishing work, each completed stage is bringing the project one step closer to its next major milestone. As work continues across several fronts simultaneously, even more visible progress is expected in the coming weeks.